Hello everyone. Today in this class we will be discussing about Trishna Chikitsa. This is the 22nd chapter of Charaka Chikitsa Sthana, and in this chapter he has explained how to treat different thirst and its complications. So we have already seen the Samanya Chikitsa for Trishna, like how we will be using Gandusha and different types of lepas in Trishna. Now in this video, we will be mainly discussing about the Vishesha Chikitsa for Vataja, Pittaja, Amaja, Ksheja, Madhyaja and Bhaktaja Trishna. So let's see what are these Vishesha Chikitsa for Trishna. First is Vataja Trishna. If the patient is suffering from Vataja type of Trishna, then in that case he has to be advised with Murdhu, Laghu, Shitala and Vatanashaka Napana. Naturally, these gunas we know that this will be helping in controlling the Trishna. At the same time, it will not aggravate too much of water. So this will naturally help in subsiding Trishna in general, and Vatanashaka and Napana we are taking exclusively for subsiding the Vata what is caused over there. And as this Trishna is having almost same like the of Shaya and Kasa, we can advise all those yogas or Siddha Krita and Dugdha told in Shaya and Kasa Dikara. So whatever Siddha Dugdas and Siddha Digratas are told in Shaya Dikara and in Kasa Dikara, all those medications can be used in Vata type of Trishna. Okay, and this is how we will be treating main treatment what is called given Vishesha Chikitsa what is given for Vata type of Trishna. Now in Vata Pitta Trishna Chikitsa, what happens over here is that both Vata and Pitta is involved. So hence we will be advising the patient to take Jivaniya Gana Aushadha Kshirapaka. So that will be given to the patient, or Jivaniya Gana Aushadha Yukta Siddha Gridha will be given to the patient. So this will help in, as we are using Gridha and Shirapana, it will help in subsiding the Pitta, and as we are using the Jivaniya Gana, that will also help in subsiding the Vata also. Hence, this will help in reducing the morbid thirst what is caused by Vata and Pittaja doshas. Next, talking exclusively about Paitika Trishna Chikitsa. In this, the patient can be advised to take Draksha, Chandana, Kharjura, Ushira, Siddha Jala with Madhu. This can be advised to the patient, which found to be very effective. And then there are many yogas told in the Paitika Trishna Chikitsas, but most of them are not that much easy to make or easy to administer. One yoga what found to be very effective and very easy to prepare is that Guduji Sarasa or Guduji Kwata, which is done Paka with Sharkara, and Pana of this Siddha will reduce the Pitta Trishna in the patient. So this is one example what you can remember for treatment of Pitta Chikitsa. There are some more yogas, you can just go through it. If you find it to be easy to manufacture, some are using mrit or mud and all those things. If you find that to be easy, then you please find it, practice with that. Next is Amaja Trishna Chikitsa. Of course, Ama is the most difficult conditions over here. So in this case, we have to be very judicious. The best thing what we can do is that prepare a kwada with Vyosha Vacha, Bhallataka and Tikta Dravyas, and this can be advised as it has the Amapajana in there, and as it is a Kwata in nature, it will help in reducing the Trishna. Other than that, whatever Kafaja Charti yogas have been told in Kafaja Charti Adhikarana, that can be induced over here. There also you can see that most of the Kafaja Charti, most of the materials is Tibaniya Pajani in nature. That can be advised over here in subsiding Amaja Trishna. And one important thing over here is that in Amaja Trishna or in other kinds of Trishna, if the patient is affected with Stamba, Arojaka, Avipaka, Alasya and Chardi, then he should be advised a Vamana with Dadi, Madhu, Tarpana Jala, that is Jala mixed with Sattu and Lavana. This should be mixed in Ushna Jala, and that should be allowed by the patient to drink so that he will induce Vamana, and that Amaja things what is there in this Koshta will move out. Or he can also be given with Dadima or Amla Phala Kashaya, Lehia or Pena, or with Sharkara can be given so that Deepana Pachana will happen and the Trishna will get subsided. Next important thing is Shayaja Trishna. So here the patient is too much weak and emaciated. So in that Shayaja Kasa Chikitsa can be advised in Shayaja Trishna. Okay. Or else Shadakshina Chikitsa is one thing what you can advice to the patient, or Shosha Chikitsa, whatever things have been told in Shosha Chikitsa, they can, depending upon the condition, we can put those Adhikarna over here and help in treating Shaja Trishna. Madhyaja Trishna Chikitsa, in that what we have to do is that Madhya plus Ardhodaka Jala need to be there. Ardhodaka Jala means half portion of Madhya and half portion of Jala mixed together, and that is being given in case of Madhya Trishna, because we know that we can't suddenly withdraw the madhya from the patient, so it's better to add some madhya also, but half quantity of jala is added so that some fluid content is retained. Rukshata will get reduced, so that is being advised. It can also be added with amla, lavana, gandha, dravyas. In gandha dravyas, jati phala, etc. has been added. So this can be added to the madhya and can be given to the patient so that his Trishna Vyadhi, what he is suffering from, will get reduced. Next is Bhaktaja Trishna Chikitsa. In Bhaktaja Trishna, like what has been happened in when the patient do upavasa and he don't take any fluid content because of his religious or whatever it is. In that case, Anuchita Sevana of Sneha can be given, or sorry, this is either by upavasa or because of Anuchita Sevana of Sneha, or if Sneha Pana was wrong, then that will also lead to the Trishna, which is included under Bhaktaja Trishna. In that, we can provide the patient with Tanu Yavagu. Yavagu is prepared with huge quantity of water in it. A very thin Yavagu can be provided so that both Trit as well as Shruta will be subsided. Now, Guru and Atisevana Trishna Chikitsa, what happens when excessive Guru Ahara has been taken is that that will also lead to the manifestation of Trishna. In that case, we have to provide Vamana to the patient so that whatever Guru Anna is there in the koshta, that will come out of the patient. Then normal food should be retained after giving adequate amount of fluid to the patient. If the Balavan and Trishna is due to Guru Anna, then Vamana with Madhyambu and Ushna Jala need to be done. How we have to do the Vamana is that by Madhyambu or Ushna Jala can be. Madhyambu is the same thing what we have prepared, half quantity of Madhya and half quantity of water. Atyadika Ruksha Durbala Purusha and having Trishna, in that condition we have to give Godugdha or Ajat Shira to the patient. These will help in subsiding the Trishna of Atyadika Ruksha and Durbala. This will also do the Tarpana of the patient, at the same time it will also reduce the Trishna from the patient. Atyadika Snigdha Anna Trishna, if you take excessive Snigdha Anna or Sneha Anna, then Gudambu Sevana is advised to be the best in that condition. If the if the Trishna is caused by excessive Sneha Dravya Pana or something like that, then ask the patient to take Gudambu, that will reduce the Trishna and provide some Rukshada so that the Snigdhata will go down. If Trishna is due to Murcha, then Rakta Pitta Chikitsa yogas can be advised in this. If Murcha is there and because of this Murcha Trishna has caused, then Rakta Pitta Chikitsa need to be advised. Dhanya Ambu Prayoga with Madhu and Sharkara can be given in that case. If Trishna with Upadrava is there, first Shamana of Trishna need to be done, then we will be going to the management of Upadrava. So I hope you understood what are the Vishesha Chikitsa for Trishna. One more thing what I want to tell is that there is also an indication of different types of Jala and when that Jala to be used in the end of this chapter. I want you to please go through that. It's very simple concept. Just have a reading of it and we will clear doubts in an interactive session. In case of any queries, please come up with the queries in the interactive session. I conclude my talk for today. Thank you very much.